Hi, John. Hi, Neil. How's it going today? Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Are you just starting work now? Yeah. I had to come into the office a little bit late today because I had a doctor's appointment this morning. Oh, doctor's appointment. I hope you're feeling okay. Yeah, it's okay. It was just a regular checkup. Very routine. Ah, good. What time will you finish working today? Hmm, I think I'll leave the office around 5:30. I need to go home because I have a busy evening planned. Oh, what are you doing this evening? I need to go home and make dinner for my kids and my wife. My wife will come in from work about 6:30. Ah, and then at 8 p.m., I'm going to play football with my friends. Oh, football? That sounds good. Do you play every week? Yeah, actually, we play twice a week. We play every Monday and every Thursday nights at 8 p.m. Ah, that sounds good. I'm going to start exercising again because I've been wanting to try it for a long time. But it's difficult to start the routine. Yeah, yeah. I play football twice a week and often go cycling at the weekend. Oh, you're so healthy and fit. Yeah, I like to try. Yeah. Oh, okay, that's me. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.